5 things that men would never confess to a woman. It is common to hear that women are like a box of surprises, but the truth is that men are not left behind. On many occasions, women are the ones who get the fame, when in reality men act in a very similar way to women. Women have their secrets, yes, and they like to keep them as such, but it also happens to men, and do not doubt that there are many things that they will never tell you, even if you know their certainty. To have an idea of what some of them are, take note. 1. They see porn. The fact that they have a girlfriend, a woman, or a fairly serious relationship does not mean they stop watching porn. They will not tell you because you may be offended in some way by thinking that he feels less attraction for you. Nothing is further from reality, they simply like it. Do not give more laps. 2. They see someone very close to you very attractive. It can be your best friend, sister, co-worker. But in any case, they will never tell you so that you do not see them as a rival and be a reason for dispute. 3. He misses being single on occasions. This can happen to him often, but let's not kid ourselves because I'm sure you've also thought about it. There's nothing wrong. He is more bound to spend more time with his friends than to be able to be with women. 4. Weight gain. If you want your partner to be honest in certain issues, the weight will not be one of them. If you have gained a few pounds and want to know his opinion about it, he probably does not have the answer you expect, either because he certainly has not realized it, or because he prefers to lie so you do not feel hurt. 5. He talks about women. Yes, that issue has not been left behind even if he has a partner. The most normal thing is to do it openly with his friends. Of course, he will not do it the way you expect. The best thing is not to think about it and to be frank with yourselves. Sometimes, women also do the same. We do not like to generalize, but all these assumptions are much more common than it seems. Do not take it into account because the most important thing is that in no case he does it with bad intention. Learn why men lose interest. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.